So guys, what we have here is USD CAD. So we would want to take a look at what our USD CAD is actually moving for the day. So I mean, to actually start it, we would want to predict where the price will be moving for the 30th of September, right? So before you go, please click on the subscribe button. You can also like and share and also comment if you find this video helpful. So I mean, we've been having a bullish move. We have to zoom it out, right? This movement, as we have been having this bullish move, I think this was around 2021, right? I mean 2021, our USD so our card has actually been going bullish, meaning as the card is dropping, the USD is actually pushing up, right? So I mean, we've been having this huge impulse movement. Now let's take a look at what this moving average also says. 10-period moving average. 10-period moving average is still far above the 10-period moving average. It's still far from it. We are bullish. That is it. Now take a look at this USD card. I want you guys to know. So anytime we are having this impulse move, we tend to have a correction. Let's take a look from here. There was an impulse move that was made here on USD card. We had a correction. Another impulse move was made. Then there was a correction. Then we had another impulse move. Then a little bit of a correction. This is why we have this red. Or let's count it out. So we've added this huge impulse movement now. Now, after this impulse movement, we've added this correction. So, guys, is this correction over? I think so. Think so. So, I'm still seeing another bullish move again. So, since yesterday, which was on the 29th, we actually had a bullish move, right? Today too, our price has actually opened bullish. I still believe that this USD card itself will actually go bullish, right? Let us see if it's actually go bullish to take out this highs. By the way, if you look at the fundamental aspect of our USD itself, you see that we are going bullish. And when you take a look at this USD index, by the way, so we have actually been going bullish. So I think this is kind of a correction. Is it correction over on the USD index? I don't think so. But one thing I know for sure is that we will still have a correction though. We will still have a correction, but we might not have it. We might not have it today. Today our price can possibly close bullish, so we might not have it. We might continue to still have a correction, but for today the price might actually still close bullish. So in case we are going to continue to have that correction to next week, let's say the correction drop to this level, then after the level, so it will react. So by the way, for today, right, to actually predict where the price will be moving for today, we will actually go to our 4-hour time frame on our USD card, because we are aiming for a bullish move, right? So on this card, we are expecting, this is exactly what we are seeing on our USD card, right? So this was an impulse move, right? It's on the 4-hour time frame. Impulse move, we had a little bit of a correction, right? So another impulse move was made on the 4-hour time frame. Then here comes the correction. Then we had another impulse move. We saw this impulse move. Then we took this as a correction. Now another impulse move, and guess what? This is a correction we've had. It dropped massively. So will I say unfortunately or anyhow, but it's be able to drop to a certain level here before bounces up. So I am seeing this as an impulse move upward again, then a correction, a little bit of a correction. Then I am taking here again as another impulse movement upward on our USD card. So USD card, I'm still speculating that this price will go bullish, because I believe the USD will actually go bullish against the card. So this bullish move, by the time we are the London section has not opened, by the way. So maybe if the London section has opened, or during the London section, then we should actually be able to break this ice on our 4-hour time frame, guys. So 4-hour time frame, we're expecting this price to actually break this ice. So USD card, I am still aiming to go bullish, and let's see if price can be able to break this size, then this is the next level we will be aiming for on our USD card, by the way. So the new level, so we can also mark here as our resistance level. We see price came to this level, dropped, came to this level, it dropped, and you are seeing it rolling to that same level again. So we can take it as our resistance and support level. That is if you want. I mean, you can see price drop to this level, right? This support level, it bounces up, drop to this level again, support level, right? And we are expecting it to bounce up again to this resistance level. Another reason why I am going long on USD card for the day.